Starlets, and welcome back to my channel. I hope you've all been shooting through the night sky. Today I have a foundation routine. I'm going to show you highlighters, concealers, powders, setting powders, everything I use to do my foundation and to get this flawless finish. So if you want to see how I do that, then just keep on watching. Okay, so to start, we're just going to jump right in with the Smashbox Photo Finish Foundation Primer. Ugh, that's a tongue twister. And I'm just going to apply that all over my face. Then I'm going to come in with the NYX Born to Glow Illuminator. And it's just pretty good for giving me that extra shine and looking real luminous underneath my foundation. And I love that with my dry skin. Now I'm coming in with the Milani 2-in-1 foundation and concealer, and this foundation is really thick, but it's really good at blending. Like, it doesn't look cakey or anything on your face, and it's pretty affordable. You can find it at your drugstore, Target, Walmart, Walgreens. Now I'm coming in with the LA Girl Concealer in Fawn, and I forgot to mention that I actually put on two layers of foundation. So I put on that first one and then I went and put on another layer of foundation. So I'm just highlighting all the points of my face. So underneath my eyes, the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, the little pointy part of my nose. I like to call that the Rudolph part. And then I'm going to go over it with another concealer that's a little bit lighter just to make it pop a little bit more. Then I'm coming into my contour and I'm just really trying to go from where I kind of see the top of my ear to curve into like the tip of my mouth. Then I'm going to do the sides of my forehead and my jawline. And I don't highlight the middle of my forehead because my head's big. Don't play with your girl. You know I got a big head. It's okay. Okay, so similar to what I did with the highlight, I'm coming in with a darker shade than what I originally came in with. And I like to go in with lighter shades first and then deepening it up. So here I'm just carving out that contour a little bit more, cutting that a little bit more because we want to be able to cut them from the side, girl. Cut them. And with the same beauty blender that we use for our foundation, we're just blending that all the way out. And this is the Real Techniques beauty sponge, and it's the one that has the flat edge. I actually had the Morphe one at first, and then I decided to try this one, and I might do a video comparing both of them because they are pretty similar. Let me know if you want to see that. But yeah, so just keep blending and blending and blending. And recently, since this video, I've been trying to blend my contour first rather than my highlight, and I did the opposite in this video. So yeah. So now I'm just going to set all that highlight with the Sache Buttercup setting powder, and you can see I'm just taking a little bit on the back of my sponge, and then I'm patting it on my hand first just so it's not so cakey when I put it on my face, so I don't have to wipe away as much. I already have super dry skin, so it really just soaks up in my skin. So now I'm coming in with the MAC Mineralized Skin Finish Powder, and I'm just using this powder to set the rest of my face, so basically my contour, and then I'm going to go over my highlight where I put that Sache Buttercup powder just to make sure that there's no white cast and there's no harsh lines in between the contour and the highlight. So now using these Anastasia Beverly Hills Contour Kit refills, I'm using the shades Golden Peach and Mellow Yellow just to highlight underneath my eyes a little bit more because I still want it to pop even though I don't want to look ash. And I'm also going to put it on those high points of my face again. So the bridge of my nose, my cupid's bow, the Rudolph part of my nose, all of that. here's what we have so far. Now using some Anastasia contour shades again. I'm using Earth, Havana, and Java, and as you can see, I really like these shades. I've hit pan on all of them, so I need to get some more, but they look really good for contouring on my skin tone. They don't look muddy or ashy or anything like that, so I really like using these. So I'm just going over all the spots that I wanted to contour, and I'm just making sure that everything looks right. And I'm just going to keep going in to deepen that contour out as much as I would like it. Now I'm using those same contour shades to contour my nose, and I'm just making sure I'm really precise, and I'm just basically following the shape of my nose that's already there. And then as I curve up, I like to push that contour into my brow bone just to blend it all together. And then I also like to kind of make like a little Rudolphy kind of nose on the tip of my nose, and just make sure I kind of circle out that pointed tip part of my nose, and then I like to put my highlighter there to make it pop as well. And again, I'm just going through and making sure everything is blended really good, and then I'm gonna come with the setting powder and carve out that contour. And I'm just following right under where it is, like I said, that tip of that ear trick that I use, and I'm just carving it right where I want it so it can look really sharp and clean. Now I'm just wiping away all that excess powder, and I'm just making sure everything is seamlessly blended before I go in with my NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray, just to seal all that in and set my makeup. And here's the finished look. I hope you liked this video. If you have any ideas, anything you can share with me that I can use to help make my foundation more flawless, some concealers that you might like, some foundations that you might like, just share them down below in the comments. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's all stay connected. You can follow me on Instagram at Ashia.Knight and Snapchat at Ashia.Knight. Thank you, Starlets. Bye.